David J. Greenburg was the founder of both the American Academy of Healthcare Attorneys and the National Health Lawyers Association, the organizations that came together to form AHLA. David was interested in creating a specialty in health law, and he worked tirelessly to create a collegial community of professionals helping each other and the public, a tradition that AHLA continues today. I am joined by our Vice President of Programs, Anne Hoover, and Manager of Dispute Resolution Service, Carine Brice, who both knew David well and worked with him before his passing in 2007. Carine, I'd like to start with you. For those who may not have had the pleasure of knowing him, who was David J. Greenburg?
David Greenburg was a laid-back, but a very focused, dedicated, and determined man with a vision. He had expectations that prompted individuals to follow and build on those visions. David created a collegial community of healthcare professionals while giving back to the community and serving his members by providing products and services in the process. He created a warm and pleasant working environment for his staff. I always enjoy coming to work and being greeted with a warm smile. He was a leader and head of an association, but he was also considered a friend. He was a very kind, social, gentle person and cared deeply about you personally. Even after he retired, he stayed in touch with me and he would call me at least 2 to 3 times a month. He was committed to the association, its purpose and its mission. David J. Greenburg was one of a kind and will always be fondly remembered.
And Anne, as a recipient of the David J. Greenburg Service Award, what does it mean to receive this distinguished award? And what about his legacy that endures with each awardee?
It was a tremendous honor and quite a surprise to receive the Greenburg Award from Doug Hastings. It truly was. And I'm very appreciative of being recognized among such an amazing group of leaders who have also received the award. To David, the association was about the people, and he was dedicated to providing a collegial forum where health law professionals could learn from each other. I have been privileged to know and to work with the volunteers who have received the Greenburg Award, including the 2 leaders who will be announced later on this evening. And I'm sure that David would think every person who has received the award is very deserving. They exemplify his ideals, and their service supports AHLA's mission. Each recipient has decades of service to AHLA, and in turn to the greater community through education that AHLA provides its members. That really reflects the vision he had more than 50 years ago.
And as the founder of AHLA, what do you think he would say about the current state of the association?
David's legacy is about giving back and about dedication to improving the field of health law. I think he would look at our current leaders and volunteers and immediately know how dedicated they are to AHLA's mission. Their contributions to educating and connecting the health law community is a testament to the work he started. And I really believe his legacy and his vision live on in every leader and in every volunteer who raises their hand to get involved.
I agree. And the team of staff he left years ago has gotten even stronger. We have such a dedicated staff that truly care about our members, that work to improve the delivery of education, that foster inclusion for all who touch health law to have a home in AHLA. I think that he would be very proud of who we are today.